ਗੁਰਵਿੰਦਰ ਸਿੰਘ ਲਾਹਲ ਤੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਵੇਖ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ ਸਿੱਧੀ ਗੱਲ। ਜਿਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਕੈਨੇਡਾ ਸਰਕਾਰ ਸਿਹਤ ਸੇਵਾਵਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਕਾਫੀ ਗੰਭੀਰ ਹੈ, ਇਸੇ ਲੜੀ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਸ਼ਾਪਰ ਡਰੱਗ ਮਾਰਟ ਵੱਲੋਂ ਆਪਣੀ ਨਵੀਂ ਫਾਰਮੇਸੀ ਦਾ ਉਦਘਾਟਨ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਉਹ ਫੀਤਾ ਕੱਟ ਕੇ ਕੀਤਾ ਗਿਆ। ਔਰ ਇਸ ਮੌਕੇ ਤੇ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਪ੍ਰੈਜ਼ੀਡੈਂਟ ਡੇਵਿਡ ਮਾਰਕਵੈਲ ਤੋਂ ਇਲਾਵਾ ਸਾਡੇ ਖਣਿਜ ਤੇ ਮਾਈਨਿੰਗ ਮੰਤਰੀ ਸਰਦਾਰ ਜਗਰੂਪ ਸਿੰਘ ਬਰਾੜ, ਸਿਟੀ ਕੌਂਸਲ ਦੀ ਮੇਅਰ ਬ੍ਰੈਂਡਾ ਲੌਕ ਔਰ ਗਿਲਫਰਡ ਦੇ MLA ਗੈਰੀ ਬੈਗ ਤੋਂ ਇਲਾਵਾ ਜੋੜਾ ਲਿੱਦੜ ਐਸੋਸੀਏਟ ਮੈਂਬਰ, ਇਹਨਾਂ ਤੋਂ ਇਲਾਵਾ ਸ਼ਹਿਰ ਦੇ ਹੋਰ ਵੀ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਮੈਡੀਕਲ ਖੇਤਰ ਨਾਲ ਸੰਬੰਧਿਤ ਲੋਕ ਸੀ, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਵੱਲੋਂ ਵੀ ਇੱਥੇ ਹਾਜ਼ਰੀ ਭਰੀ ਗਈ। ਸੋ ਆਓ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਇਸ ਦੀ ਇੱਕ ਸੰਖੇਪ ਰਿਪੋਰਟ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਆ ਉਹ ਪੇਸ਼ ਕਰਦੇ ਆ ਕਿ ਕਿਸ ਢੰਗ ਨਾਲ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਸੇਵਾਵਾਂ ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਲੋਕਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਪ੍ਰੋਵਾਈਡ ਕਰਨੀਆਂ। ਸਰੀ ਦੇ 152 ਸਟਰੀਟ ਫਰੇਜ਼ਰ ਹਾਈਵੇ ਤੇ ਸ਼ਾਪਰ ਡਰੱਗ ਮਾਰਟ ਵੱਲੋਂ ਨਵੇਂ ਖੋਲ੍ਹੇ ਫਾਰਮੇਸੀ ਕੇਅਰ ਸੈਂਟਰ ਦਾ ਉਦਘਾਟਨ ਖਣਿਜ ਤੇ ਮਾਈਨਿੰਗ ਮੰਤਰੀ ਜਗਰੂਪ ਬਰਾੜ ਤੇ ਸਿਟੀ ਮੇਅਰ ਬ੍ਰੈਂਡਾ ਲੌਕ ਵੱਲੋਂ ਕੀਤਾ ਗਿਆ।
Shopper Drug Mart, Surrey's Evergreen Mall location. It's wonderful to see you all here today as we celebrate exciting milestone in healthcare delivery in British Columbia. I'm proud to be a part of this milestone for our city and province, and I'm excited to see the differences these clinics will continue to make for our patients. It's now my pleasure to introduce David Markwell, Interim President of Shoppers Drug Mart.
Thank you, Joel. Good morning. I'm delighted to be here today to celebrate the opening of the 7th of our Shoppers Drug Mart care clinics here in Surrey, British Columbia. I'd like to extend a sincere thank you to Mayor Brenda Locke and the City of Surrey for your partnership, to Minister Brar and our local MLA here in Surrey Fleetwood, our MLA Gary Begg, and of course our dedicated BC Pharmacy Association for their partnership and support in making this a reality. And to Vince and Bryce for being here to celebrate with us today. I'd also like to offer a special thank you to our associate owner, Joel Litter, and your entire team for hosting us on this very special occasion. As you know, Surrey is one of Canada's fastest growing cities, and rapid growth in the region has caused strain on our local health systems. Last summer, our team had the opportunity to sit down with Mayor Locke, who shared with us the immense pressure the health system was facing here in Surrey. As we discussed our clinic model as a potential solution, we had the idea of opening up a clinic here to help the city alleviate some of that pressure. But the mayor, in her characteristic drive for progress, challenged us. Instead of just one clinic, she encouraged us to think bigger, to aim for 5 clinics if we truly wanted to make a meaningful impact across the city. We took that challenge to heart, and today I'm thrilled to announce that we exceeded the mayor's challenge as Shoppers Drug Mart opened our 7th clinic here in Surrey. I thank the mayor for her collaboration and for pushing us to do more to help the community of Surrey. Her challenge has led us to real and tangible solutions that will provide much needed relief for patients across Surrey. As highly trained medical professionals, we know that pharmacists are uniquely positioned to step up and meet some of these challenges head on. Shoppers Drug Mart is committed to providing patients with more ways to access vital health care services where and when they need it, and the Surrey clinics are no exception. We designed these clinics that you can see here as an example with patient in mind, offering personalized, accessible care in a setting that prioritizes both privacy and comfort. Each of these clinics is equipped with dedicated examination rooms, allowing pharmacists to provide high-quality care for patients in a private setting. This setup ensures that pharmacists have the time and environment they need to assess each patient's needs and deliver tailored services. With extended hours of operation, the clinics offer a valuable alternative during times when other healthcare options may be limited or unavailable. In fact, we know from data on clinics that we have operating in Alberta that almost half of the patients that we're able to provide high quality care to are seen after traditional operating hours. By providing convenient access to professional care when patients need it most, these clinics will enhance the overall healthcare experience for the community of Surrey, making it easier for patients to receive vital support. And thanks to the leadership of our provincial government, pharmacists can practice in an expanded scope, giving our pharmacy teams in Surrey the ability to assess and treat patients for a number of minor ailments and common conditions, such as UTI, pink eye, all of this free of charge with a valid BC health card. Today's announcement is a significant milestone in our journey to give Canadians more ways to access the care they need and deserve. Our sincere hope is with these 7 locations, we'll be able to impactfully relieve some of the pressures that have built up on emergency rooms and family physicians across this fast-growing region, because we know that an investment in access to care is an investment in healthier communities and a strong public health system. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. This is a great day for the people of Surrey and particularly for the people of Surrey Fleetwood. I have been living in Surrey Fleetwood for a long time, so this is a great news, of course, for me, for my family, for my friends. So I would like to, first of all, thank you, Honorable Mayor Doc. And I'm also joined by my colleague, Gary Beck, MLA Surrey Guildford, and to all of you. I would like to acknowledge that we are on the ancestral territory of Quantinan, Getse, Tamiamo, and Parson First Nations. It is an incredible honor to be here today at the grand opening of this new pharmacy care clinic right here in Fleetwood, while also getting to celebrate the opening of, as said earlier, 6 other clinics across Surrey. We all know, as Mayor said, Surrey is probably the fastest growing city, not only in the province, but in the country. And so that way it's a great news, and I appreciate your work here in the city of Surrey. Surrey is an amazing city, and dedicated doctors, nurses, and care team who take pride in delivering quality health care in this city. And like many places, we are feeling the strain of worker shortage, as we all know, and rising demand for care because of the significantly growing population. More clinics like this one right here help alleviate some of the pressure put out on frontline healthcare workers and get people the care they need faster. These clinics across Surrey are so important for our entire community. This is a step forward in ensuring healthcare is accessible, efficient, and tailored to the needs of every individual. We all share a common goal of having healthcare access our community needs when and where they need it. I want to thank the team who have worked tirelessly to make this clinic a reality, and all the healthcare professionals who will serve our community here. I just want to add that the provincial government, changed the rules, and now the pharmacist can actually prescribe, I think, 29 minor illness. I think that's the word we need to spread to the community because there are a lot of people still don't know that. That's the easiest access people can have to health care. So I want to say thank you and congratulations on this exciting milestone. Thank you very much.
Well, good morning, everyone. It's really a pleasure for me to be here. The shortest person in the room, as usual. It's great for me to be here today. You know, I've lived in this neighborhood for 44 years, and so I have come to this store many times, and so I'm so glad that this store is one that was chosen. This is also a 24-hour store, so that's incredible. It is my pleasure to be here with all of you to help cut the ribbon for Shoppers Drug Mart's 7th pharmacy care clinic right here in Surrey. That's a really big deal, and yeah, I did challenge you for 5, so wow, getting to 7 is remarkable. Thank you for that. When Shoppers Drug Mart launched their first clinic in Newton, that was a while back. I think it was in March. I was really thrilled about that. And that was truly a major step forward in expanding access to care and empowering pharmacists to deliver frontline services for our residents. We are facing a healthcare challenge in our city of Surrey. There is no doubt about that. And we're expected to hit 1 million residents in this city very, very soon, in the next several years, in fact. So the impact is felt by anxious parents in crowded ERs, by seniors waiting in long-term care beds, and young families looking for a family doctor. These 7 new clinics will improve access to care, and that is so critically important. I was particularly hearing you talk about pink eye, and some of those things that we think are simple, they're not so simple when it's your kid that's not able to go to daycare. It has a huge impact on families, your ability to go to work, because now you have to, and it goes on and on. So these clinics are so critically important to our city. They will ease the pressure, too, on our emergency room and on our family doctors. And I look forward to being able to work with Surrey Memorial and other, the ER there, to make them see how they can integrate what they're doing to maybe help triage patients right here to Shoppers Drug Mart. Can you imagine how easy and fluid that would be, and how helpful that would be for those things that some people think are minor ailments, but they're really challenging for families. So I want to thank you to Shoppers Drug Mart, and there's lots of you around here, for the remarkable investment you've put not only in this store, but in all of the stores in Surrey. I can't wait to see more positive differences these clinics are going to make, and I absolutely know that they will. Together, we will all be building a healthier future for all residents of Surrey. And we always say a city where everyone matters, everybody matters in Surrey. So we really do think these clinics are going to make a huge difference, and I truly thank you for that. Thank you all.